Here's how to join a hotspot on your iPad. First, ensure that your iPad's hotspot is active and discoverable. So for that, you need to go to your settings on your iPad and open it. The hotspot will appear in your Wi-Fi settings as a regular network. So you need to go to Wi-Fi, but with a distinct icon, which will differentiate it from standard Wi-Fi routers. So once connected, you'll see the signal strength and battery level of the iPhone or any other device providing the hotspot. And if you want to go ahead and auto join hotspot in your iPad, you can scroll down and there is the section of auto join hotspot, which will allow this device to automatically discover nearby personal hotspot when no Wi-Fi network is available. And you can see that it's set to automatic, but you can also set to never ask to join and all. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.